Hello. We are in touch with you System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. You can pause it if needed. We suggest looking at all the indicators of the company being studied more scrupulously. Now let's analyze the company's current fundamental indicators. Monarch Casino and Resort, Inc., ticker MCRI. This review is based on current information as of July 1st, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets Corporation, Monarch Casino and Resort belongs to the subcategory Leisure Rates. 28 organizations are participating in the analysis. We will see the final decisions closer to the end of the video. The company's score is 7 out of 10. The average result for the subcategory is minus 0.3 points. If you look broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, we see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a 7-point rating for the company Monarch Casino and Resort. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price Monarch Casino and Resort, Inc. and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Monarch Casino and Resort, Inc. showed a change of 28.1%. 37.6% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Monarch Casino and Resort amounts to $1.6 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $181 billion. The company's book value is $0.53 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $30 billion. Comparing the shares of the stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Monarch Casino and Resort, Inc. in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 0.883%. The book value is 1.803%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under analysis has debts of $0.016 billion. Debt to book value is 3% of equity. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 16.7. Average for the subcategory is 75.3. Market value to profit ratio compared to subcategory organizations, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $96 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $96 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 3. Average for the subcategory is 2.4. Evaluation of the company's market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, toll, minus 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $530 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is provisionally $530 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 18.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.1%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 1.13%, which is 28% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $550,000. And for the subcategory, $704,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's profit per employee is $33,000. Average in the subcategory, $9,400. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $181,000. Subcategory, $299,000. Sales per employee rating compared to subcategory figures, passable, 0 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 1.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.6%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 62% for the company Monarch Casino and Resort. For the subcategory, this level is 66%. The company's current stock price is approximately $86.43. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $87.99. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions this season by the information and reference system for evaluating shares Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the stock analysis Monarch Casino and Resort Incorporated. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Order to open for a rise at $86.44 per share. The deal is open because the company has a relatively high valuation. The organization's assessment was made using the assessment approach, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 98.81. Stop loss is set at 74.07. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is fixed automatically based on the results of the trading session on July 31st, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker, DKNG, is a balance sheet transaction for sale. The video on the balance order will be or has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is fixed at the last price. Thank you very much audience for watching this video and for using the help system Guru.Markets.